Worried about switching to a new hardware wallet? Don't be. This guide will walk you through the process to make sure your crypto stays safe. First and foremost, back up your old hardware wallet. This usually involves writing down a 12, 18, or 2-word seed phrase or recovery key. Treat this like gold. It's your only way to recover your funds. If something goes wrong, keep it offline and secure. Never share it with anyone. Now, set up your new hardware wallet. You'll typically initialize it, choosing to either create a new seed phrase for improved security or, if you prefer to keep your existing addresses, restore it using the seed phrase from your old wallet. If you chose to create a new seed phrase, you'll need to transfer your crypto. Initiate a standard on-kind transaction from your old wallet to your new wallet's receiving address. Double-check the receiving address on your new hardware wallet screen to ensure accuracy before confirming the transaction. Pay attention to network fees. Lower fees might take longer, but higher fees get processed faster. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto is safely in your new wallet. Finally, securely wipe your old hardware wallet if you plan on storing it away. If you're discarding it, physically damage it to ensure no one can access your information. And that's it. You've successfully switched hardware wallets.